Brand new for 2019 is the photography challenge.
There's a real family atmosphere, but it's still nerve-wracking.
Competitors must try and catch the perfect shot in both still and live challenges.
Waiting for the right moment, to be honest.
Just snapping and hoping for the best.
The competition consists of a university shoot, a live action shoot and still life photography.
It's my first time here at TUCO. It's the first time they're doing a photography competition. I'm really excited to be here.
Judges are looking at the creativity, skill and holistic value and power of the photos.
Food photography has become very important, especially on social media. If they've got a little bit of a flair for photography, it's a great opportunity to show off that skill.
You can't predict when is he going to do, what is he going to do, when he's going to put the next spoon in. But once you get a good shot, it's like, ooh, you did it.
It's been a challenging 2 days. How have the competitors fared?
A well-deserved gold award goes to Philippa Page.
I honestly can't believe I've won. I thought these guys were way better than me, so I have no idea what I'm doing in gold position. I'm actually speechless.